Hello, this is Damian Questiny. Thank you so much for joining us. Please take your seat at the table, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. And we're going to transition into the morphic field and how you can use that as a director in your life. And because we're discussing health, it's an internal nature. And so I need you to know that when you incorporate these ideas or noodle them, that you do so with care and that you do so with compassion for yourself and your body. And do not harm yourself. There is a plan. There is a goal. There is an act. Everything should be done with purpose. Everything. There are no coincidences. So, morphic resonance. This is the key to health. The morphic field. The things that you consume, the calories, the energy in which you take in yourself, that gives you access to the morphic field because it will change your field based on the consumption you take in it. So, if you eat lots of meat, your morphic field will resonate with that and you will gather strength and power, like we've discussed. If you eat lots of plants and vegetables, you will gather force and life, and you will be fast and have endurance. If you have a balance of these things, then perhaps you can find where you resonate best, because the morphic field will be supple. The morphic field will have vitality and virility. You will have a potency to your health. And you can purify with the foods and water and juices in which you consume. This section is going to be dedicated to the tasks for Elemental Hypertech. And for those who are participating in their own journey, these are just places for ideas to be presented as tools and instruments, so that way your accuracy can be refined. Because health is a process, not a destination. So, you've heard me in the past talk about how important blood is. Blood is how you initially access your biohacking abilities. So it would be encouraging if you actually knew what your blood type was. It would be beneficial to you to have a food panel analysis ran against your blood so you can look for any allergies or irritations with certain food groups. So that way you can discover what your blueprint looks like. This information may become very beneficial to you later when you want certain things to be done, especially when you are here listening to this practice, because we are a very, very different kind of remote viewing and magical practice. We are one based on relationships. So this is a first step, if you will. Get to know your blood. Get to know what it does for you. Subscribe or like. I'd really love to hear your views. Cheers.